Okay guys, today we're going to fix our pressure on our water thing back here. The pressure is just not to be desired. Right now it works good though. So if your water thing doesn't dispense water, or doesn't dispense it that quickly, and you have a kid that
it's called an osmosis.
Reverse osmosis. So with a little tank down below the sink, we're going to show you how you can get your pressure back, not blow up your bladder in your tank, and get water so your son who goes to the gym can fill up 24 gallons of water because he likes to drink that much during the day. So y'all stay tuned and we'll get right into this.
It's more like 4 gallons.
Yeah. But y'all stay tuned, we'll get right into this.
Dilly and everything. That's good.
So to get this in, first I spray it with a little PD blaster to lube up the tube.
Oh, too much, Dad.
This is why you don't touch capacitors. One. He just sees the broom. So if your under sink unit is working like this one, so I get in here and I got me a trickle of water and it goes away quickly. You don't have to replace the filters. You just probably have too much water in your water-air ballast that creates the pressure to fill up your cup. So let's go ahead and prime this up and get some water flowing out of here. Probably need a gallon jug because you're going to be pumping excess water out of the ballast to, of course, make more air pressure, because as the water fills up, it reaches a certain pressure in there, and then that air pressure pushes it down when you turn on the water. And when you're looking under the sink, our water tank has this valve right here. It's a valve stem that we can go ahead and add air. For this project, we're going to be using the Coleman, a little Coleman air, compressor I have. You can use a foot pump or whatever you have available that you can put air in, like a tire or something. So on our air pressure, I don't know if you can see here, but we're going to turn this up to about 25. We don't want to get too much air in the system. And you just take and you just apply air. So with our jug in place, you turn on the water. Then you start applying your air. You see our stream of water? It's really squirting out there. We're going to take about a gallon of water out of the system. Then of course it's going to have to fill back up. And it's good. You'll hear water still running in the system. So if you overfill the tank with air, you could blow it up. Don't do that. And now we'll give it time for the filtration system to fill this back up with water and test and see how much, if we can fill up our cups now. Now our son, he likes to drink water, so he's working out, doing the gym thing. So he tries to drink 2 gallons of water a day. A lot of water, I know, but good for you. So after you get your pressure back up, I'm going to test it, filling it up Coffee pot. Look at that pressure. That is no new filters, just getting the air water ballast in the 5-gallon tank we have, and it's filling up the coffee pot again. So we can now have water. Okay, so we got in, we didn't blow up the water tank, and we now have water. Be careful when you're doing this, especially if you're using a compressor. You don't want to overflow that, to over aerate your tank, or blow up your tank. Don't do that. But
You mean like in the house?
in the house,
And shards would just go everywhere?
no, it blow there's a membrane in there. But it would probably
And we're
blow.
talking about army days or something.
It would blow the top off before the tank actually blew up, so you're not going to get shrapnel and stuff, which is good.
It's metal.
Yeah, but the little plastic dealie on the top, would just blow out the top. Shoot water everywhere, it'd be a big mess.
That's good.
But we got it fixed. We have water in the house now, and our son he can meet his water requirements.
4 gallons.
And also for our sundowner, so I don't have to stir him anymore. It has pressure to stir it for me.
Yeah, that was important though.
Yeah,
It was.
was important. Just to show you that it still works, we're going to fill up a glass of water. And
Can you see me? Can you see me?
come this way. So there you go. I'll be right here. Look at that pressure.
We couldn't do this before.
No, the pressure is strong with this one.
It was so slow. We were like, really? We have to replace filters? We shouldn't have to because we have a whole house filtration system and those filters should still be good. So
Yeah, so we didn't have to replace filters. You just had to pressure up the reverse osmosis tank. And it only 7 to 8 pounds, all you put into it. So when you're doing it, make sure you have the water on and you're listening to how fast it's pouring when you're adding air to it, because you don't want to, once again, blow that up. If this video was helpful for you, give us a like. It's down there. Looks like this. If you like our channel, subscribe. And if you're looking for great eats, good recipes, check out our blog. Or you can see some of the videos we create right here. Yummy deliciousness.
I'm going to go back to the kitchen now.
Yes, whoever said that, she can do what she wants. Of course, she's going to make me this earthquake-sized burger here soon. And y'all please take care.
Bye.
Y'all stay tuned. But if this was helpful for you, give us a like down there. I am totally blanking on this video.
Are you supposed to be doing this?
Mm-hmm.
Like, you said you wanted to fill up something.
Oh yeah, we can fill up something.
Like that.
Stick away from
It's
me.
that's not what we're doing.
Okay. I gotta move it over now.